If your plants are growing slowly, this is probably why. Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it and the best fast-growing plants to try next. The number one cause of slow growth is low light. Plants kept far from windows will stretch, weaken and stop growing. Simply move your plants closer to bright indirect light and you will notice improvement within weeks. The next mistake is using the wrong pot size. A pot that is too large slows growth because the roots can't fill the space. But a pot that is too small also restricts them. Choose a pot just 1 or 2 inches bigger than the root ball for steady, healthy growth. Overwatering is another silent killer. Soggy soil blocks oxygen and the plant can't grow properly. Let the top layer dry before watering again. And always make sure the pot has proper drainage. If you have never fertilized your plant, that could be the reason for slow growth. Plants need nutrients, especially during the growing season. A simple NPK fertilizer diluted in your watering can will help produce stronger stems and new leaves faster. Now, if you want plants that can grow quickly and fill your home with life, here are the 5 of the fastest growers you can start with. Golden Pothos. Fast, easy and perfect for beginners. The plant can trail, climb and grow new leaves almost every week in good light. Spider plant. Famous for producing pups quickly. With bright light and regular watering, it spreads fast. The snake plant. Tough and surprisingly fast growing. It thrives in low light and needs very little water. The ZZ plant. One of the easiest houseplants ever. New shoot pop up fast, even if you forget to water it. Philodendron Brasil. Beautiful, trailing and quick to produce new growth. Perfect for shelves, walls or hanging basket. Fix these simple mistakes and you will see your plants grow faster, fuller and healthier. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Plant Haven Africa for more plant care tips. Your indoor jungle starts here.